Hey guys, so I'm at the Pocatello City Creek trailhead, and it is December, so there's snow on the ground, but the trail doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna give it a go, and hopefully I don't run into anything too deep. I'm just in my trail runners today, so should be a really good trail. So typically this trail has a lot of mountain bikers on it. The benefit of doing it in December when there's snow on the ground is there's not as much traffic. So it's going really good so far. It's actually really pretty today and weather's not too bad, so. All right, I made it to the top of the City Creek Trail. From here, there's a few options for other trails you can keep going up. I'm gonna head back down though. It was a great hike, pretty mellow, and only saw a couple other people, so it was really cool, really nice day. Not too cold out today, so bye.